Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Jennifer, and today we are here because we are going to be unboxing my husband's Stitch Fix box for the month of May. Just to give you a little information about Stitch Fix. Stitch Fix is an online personal styling service. You pay $20 to have a box styled for you, and then you're going to fill out a style profile to give your measurements and your likes and your dislikes about fashion. A stylist is paired with you, and he or she is going to send you 5 items in your box. Those items can be clothing, shoes, jewelry, accessories, whatever you want, and then those items get shipped to you for free. You're going to try the items on in the comfort of your own home, and then you're going to decide what you like and what you don't like. Basically, we started doing this for my husband because he really dislikes shopping, and so his wardrobe had kind of gotten out of date and needed to be updated. So we started this just to kind of update his wardrobe. For this month, I think we requested some short sleeve dress shirts and some shorts for the warmer temperatures here in North Carolina. We're going to get into his box and see what he got for this month. When you open up the box, it's going to give you the directions on what to do. It's real convenient. You just check out online and everything. You're going to get this prepaid mailer bag, and this bag is used to ship back anything that you don't want. And if you need to make any exchanges for sizes, then you're going to put those items back in this bag, and the shipping is already paid for, and you just ship it on back to Stitch Fix. You get this envelope here, and inside the envelope is the price invoice sheet. And this is fix number 6 for him. And you also get your style card and your note from your stylist. Now, he has not kept the same stylist the whole entire time. He's had, I want to say, 3 different stylists. I think Renee was the one he had last time, but I'm going to read the note real quick. And it says, Scott, I'm happy to be styling you again for your 6th fix. I see you are looking for items for the warmer weather. We had some luck. First, I included a pair of Flag and Anthem shorts in a linen mix. I'm not sure how he'll feel about a linen mix. The shorts are well made and will wear well in the summer heat. Let me know what you think of the style and the fit. Pair the Hakurai tee with the shorts for a laid-back look. I included a Flag and Anthem short sleeve that would also pair well with the shorts in this fix for a stylish look on a warm spring day in North Carolina. The Hakurai Polo will be nice to have on hand this season and could be dressed up or down. Finally, I included another short sleeve button down to try. It has a more modern feel to it. I look forward to hearing your feedback on what works in this fix. Cheers, Renee. And so it looks like they've listened to our request and sent some short sleeve shirts and a pair of shorts, so hopefully those shorts will work. So here is his bundle. And I can't get him to get on camera and try these on, so I do it this way, and then I'll have him try them on and give you the feedback of what he thinks about everything. So the first item is the Flag and Anthem Portsmouth 2-pocket Poplin shirt, light purple, and a 2XL tall. And he is tall, which is good because it's hard for him to find tall shirts and pants and things like that. So it's just a really nice plaid print, and it's short sleeve, which is good because he likes to wear stuff like this to church in the spring and summer. And so he has something kind of similar, but it's a long sleeve top. But it's basically got some different blues and a little bit of pink and purples, and so I'll get up close so you can see that. So that looks like something he will like. Next is the Hakurai Relaxed Fit Essential Wash Stretch Short Sleeve Shirt in navy, and it's a 2XL as well. And let's see what this little print is. But it is also a short sleeve shirt, and it says it's got stretch. Yeah, I can feel the stretch in the shirt. And I'm going to get up close so you can see that print. It's got a little bit of like cream and maybe a little bit of a khaki color in it and a lighter blue. So yeah, that's a nice short sleeve shirt. I think he'll like that. Next, they threw in the Hakurai Randy Performance Jersey Pocket Crew shirt in indigo, and it's in a 2XL, and it's really soft. It's just a basic t-shirt, and it does have a pocket. I don't know how he'll feel about the pocket, but it's a dark navy. Almost looks like a heathered navy, if you can see that. It's very soft, just very casual, so I think he'll like that. Now this looks familiar. I want to say he got this same shirt in his last box. I'm going to have to check this out. But it is the Hakurai Karson Spacedye Polo light blue and a 2XL. And I know he got a Karson Spacedye Polo, but I wonder if it's the same exact color. This is a very light blue. I'm trying to see if it's the same color. I'm gonna have to get that out of his closet and we're gonna have to compare the colors because I'm curious to see if it's the exact same shirt. And if it is, I'm a little disappointed that they would send the same shirt. So we'll have to see. But it's just a nice little polo. It's very soft. So another short sleeve shirt, which is perfect. So I think all of the shirts are good. I'm just worried about that one being the exact same one he had last time. Oh, I don't know about linen shorts. So this is, let me find the tag. The Flag and Anthem Tabor linen short in beige. And what worries me about linen is it wrinkles. And so coming out of the box, it looks wrinkly. And he's not gonna iron and do anything like that. So I'm not sure how he'll feel about that. I wanna see the directions for washing them. So the directions say wash before wearing, machine wash cold with light colors, only non-chlorine bleach when needed, tumble dry low, warm iron when needed. I think the color's good. I just don't know how he'll feel about the linen fabric. He's just kind of a basic cargo short kind of guy. So, all right, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna have him try all this stuff on and then I'll come back and let you know what he thinks. Be right back. All right, guys, we're back and we're gonna do a recap and talk about some prices. My husband has tried everything on and I'm gonna let you know what he liked. And so the first item on the list was the Hakurai Karson Spacedye Polo in light blue. It's a 2XL and the cost was $39. And that is this polo right here. And this was the shirt that I was concerned about the other shirt that we got being so, I actually thought they might be the same, but they are a little bit different. This one that he kept last time has more of a dark blue, kind of like a navy running through it. I don't know if you guys can see that. There you go. And this one is just a really light blue, almost gray. So we thought they were different enough that we would go ahead and keep this polo. Next item on the list was a Flag and Anthem Portsmouth 2-pocket Poplin shirt in light purple. It was a 2XL tall and the cost was $48, and that was this shirt right here. And he really liked it. It was nice and long and he liked the colors and it would be good for church. So we're definitely gonna be keeping that one. Next was the Flag and Anthem Tabor linen short in beige. And this was the one that I was a little concerned about. The cost of these shorts are $49.50. I was worried about the fabric, and he has never had linen shorts, but he said they were extremely comfortable, and I told him that there might be a possibility that they will wrinkle, but we do have that Downy wrinkle release that we spray on the items, and I may look into getting one of those little handheld steamers to see if that will help with it, but it does say machine washable, and you can dry it, and it says iron as needed, so he thought they were comfortable, so we are gonna keep those. You know, give them a shot. The next item on the list is the Hakurai Relax Fit Essential Wash Stretch Short Sleeve Shirt in navy, and the cost of this shirt was $58. This was the most expensive shirt. This was the most expensive item in the whole entire box. And I think it's because it's got that stretch in it, but he really liked this shirt. It's really comfortable. And like I said, another good one for summer. So we're gonna be keeping that. And then the last item was the Hakurai Randy Performance Jersey Pocket Crew t-shirt. And this was really soft. He really thought it was comfortable. And so we are gonna be keeping that. And the cost of this shirt was $30. So the stylist pick subtotal was $224.50. But if you buy all 5 items, then you're gonna get a 25% discount. So that would take off $56.13. He does not have the $20 styling fee because he was offered the Style Pass several months ago. And so shipping would be free, so our order subtotal would be $168.37. And I don't think that's too bad for 5 really nice items. So if you have any questions about Stitch Fix, leave it in the comments box below. Tell me what you think. Are there any items that you like, or what would you have kept or sent back? I am going to leave his Stitch Fix referral link in the description box. That referral link could be for $50. I think he may still have an active one, so whichever one is still active, I will link that. Hopefully it's the $50 link, but those links don't always last an extremely long time, so I will check into that. It'll either be $50 or $25 referral link, and that would give you that much money towards your first box. So your styling fee would be waived, and you would get to apply that $25 or $50 to any items in the box that you keep. What I like about Stitch Fix is you only pay for what you keep, and so if you don't keep something, you don't pay for it. And shipping is free both ways, which is great. But like I said, just let me know what you think, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. And until next time, bye guys.